Hey guys, hope you're doing fine. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be looking at another lead code problem named as Roman to integer. In this problem, we will be looking at how can we convert Roman numerals to integer number representation. So before starting with the actual code, let's have some knowledge of Roman numbers. Basically, there are 7 characters in Roman numbers, namely IVX, LCD, M, with the corresponding integer values as 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Let's look at some example of Roman numbers with the corresponding integer values. If a character is repeated, then the value of the character is added to get the integer value. For example, 3. If the left value of a character is less than its value, then the left value is subtracted. For example, IV represents 4. Similarly, if the right value is less than the character's value, then the right value is added. For example, XII represents 12. Let's look at another example where the Roman number is MCMXCIV. The integer representation of this Roman number is as follows. M represents 1000, C represents 100 and M represents 1000. So CM together represents 1000 minus 100, which is 900. Similarly, XC represents 100 minus 10, which is 90. And IV, as we have seen in second example, represents 4. So the total value of this Roman numeral is 1994. So let's begin with the approach with an example string as xlix whose length is 4 and let us declare a variable sum to 0. So the algorithm is as follows. For I is equal to 0 to string length, if I is the last index or the value of ith character is greater than or equal to the value of I plus 1th character, then num is equal to value of ith character and we increment I. Else, the value of num is equal to the value of I plus 1th character minus the value of ith character and we increment I by 2. And finally, we add num to some value. Initially, I points to the beginning of the string. Since the value of x is less than the value of L, so num is equal to 50 minus 10, which is equal to 40. And finally, we add 40 to sum, which gives the new value of sum as 40. And I increments by 2 position. So now I points to I. Since the value of I is less than the value of x, num is calculated as value of x minus value of I, which is 10 minus 1, 9. So now num is added to some value which gives the total value of sum as 49. So the integer representation of xlix is 49. Now we can begin with the actual code. So the first thing which we have to do is create a map and insert the Roman alphabets along with their corresponding integer values. Let's name this map as Roman. So I have inserted I as the Roman alphabet and its corresponding value 1. We can copy this process to insert 6 more alphabets. So after inserting the values, we can find out the string length and store it in a variable named len. And let's declare a variable sum to 0. Now we can apply our algorithm, that is, for I is equal to 0 to length, we need to check whether I is the last index or the value of ith character is greater than or equal to the value of I plus 1th character. If so, then the value of num is the value of ith character. And we increment I. If the above condition does not satisfy, then the value of num is found out as value of I plus 1 character minus the value of ith character. And we increment I by 2 positions. And finally, we add the value of num to sum. And after finishing the loop, we return the sum value. And our code is finished. So now we can check our code by running it. And it is not showing any error. So we can proceed further and submit it. And it is accepted successfully. So if you found this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such upcoming videos. Thank you.